Hello everyone, I am Dr. Jyoti Mandala. Welcome you all to the video lecture series on the course Unity 3D. So we are in the process of learning how to add objects into your Unity environment. So in our last lecture, we learned how to add primitive objects which are available in the Unity. So in this lecture, we will be understanding how to add external 3D objects. So for adding external 3D objects into the Unity or whatever, if you want to have a 3D modeling packages, we have some predefined packages which are like Autodesk Mayo or open source versions like Blender. Whereas if you come to the Unity, Asset Store is available, which is supported by the Unity technologies. So we can make use of those Asset Store to import our 3D models. So let us understand how to do that one in this video. So go to your editor, uh, this one interface. This is what the last video we have done, this one adding the primitive objects. Now if you want to have your own like 3D models which you want to import from the asset store, that can be done in two ways. First way is you need to go to the window and you can see an option called asset store. If you click this one, this tab will be open where it will be displaying you are welcome to the asset store website, and you can search online different 3D models. Now once you add that one to your assets, now you can import that one using the packet manager. I'll make you understand that one later. So this is first way of opening the asset store. The other way is through the website. So you can open a browser and you can go to the URL. You can type assetstore.unity.com. If you type this one, you will be redirected to this page. So this is the Unity Asset Store. Now, before proceeding, I request you all to sign in into this one, and whatever Unity ID you have created, you can use the same thing, just sign in. So I'll be signing in. So once it is signed in, you can see your profile will be displayed here, added here. Now, here it contains so many kinds of assets. Some assets, like it will be showing the popular assets here, which are on sale, top selling, top new. You can have free assets also. Any asset. All these are predefined 3D models, which you can just import into your game. Now, before proceeding, let us understand how to find out a particular asset. Understand here there are multiple options available on the right hand side of top of your window. This is your profile, this is your cart. This is cart is nothing but whenever you want to purchase any asset, you can just add them to your cart. It works similar like your e-commerce website where we will be purchasing our products and all, we will be adding them to the cart and then we will be buying them if it is a paid asset. Next one is you can wish list some assets in future if you want to have a reference, if you want to purchase them, or then you can add them to your wish list saved assets. And in this is the tab where my assets. If you click this my assets, all the assets that you have purchased will be available here. These are all the assets I have added. So once you purchase them, that will be added to your my assets. Going back to the home page, coming to here, here is a search bar where for searching any assets, we can do that one in two ways. First way is you can type here, or else you can have, you can see here uh, all the options as per your requirement. You can select here, which is called as a category list. You can say 3D objects, 2D objects, add-ons, audio, decentralized. As per your requirement, from this category list, you can search for that particular asset. So let us select one asset and let us try to add that one to our this one, my assets. So to do that task, first you all need to search for that one. Let me call one as chair. So click that one. Now once you search for that, you can see here download. So many 3D models of chair are displayed here. On the left hand side, you can see multiple filters are also available. You can see the categories of 2D, 3D audio templates. Pricing is there from 0 to $898. You can also select this one to get only free assets. Deselect, or and you can see depending upon the type of Unity version you have installed, you can select, you can filter out as per that version. You can filter out as per your ratings, release date and platforms. So these are all the different filter options you have to make your search process easier. So now what we will do, we will be working with 3D objects. So I will be applying a filter of 3D. So as per your filter, this page will be refreshed. Same like the way you will be doing online shopping and all. I hope like you all are familiar with these things. Next, I don't want to spend money. I just want to use free assets. So if you, I have filtered by using 3D and the category of pricing is free assets. So these are all the free assets are there. So as per your requirement, you can get any asset. So let me select one. What I'll do, which one should I select? This one. Okay. Let me use this one. So if you want to see how it looks, you can have a quick look. Let me show you. If you click on the quick look, you can see it is having different ways of projecting. This one is displayed here. If you're satisfied with this one, so all these assets will be added. Its related packages will be added to your Unity environment once you download and import that one. How to do that one? We are going to understand that. But just have a look how it will be looking into the Unity environment. Now, if you are satisfied with this one, now if you want to use these 3D models, then uh, you can go with full details to make sure like to understand what are all the options are available here. So it will be showing all the full details it is showing. So just check whether it is compatible with your Unity or not. And then once you're satisfied, you can click here add to my assets. Now then it will be added. Before that, you need to accept the agreement. So click on accept. Now it will take some time and this asset will be added to your my assets. It will be there in my assets. I'll just show you that. Or else if you want, you can directly click on open in Unity. You will be redirected to your Unity interface. Okay, let me show you whether it has been added to your my assets or not. So my assets, I'll go and you can see it has been added to your my assets, old tables and chain. Now once if you want this to be added, you want to use this one in your Unity interface in your project now, then you can go directly from here, open in Unity. So click on that. So it will be asking you, yes, you click open Unity editor. Now you are directed to the Unity editor. Did you see here? Once you are in the interface, you see here open tables and chair. This packet manager will be opened automatically. If it is not done automatically, you have an option where you can scroll down and you can click on this open packet manager. You can click this one or else it will come by default. If it is not coming, you can click on this open packet manager. Right. Now, once you are in this window, you can see our new asset is old tables and chair. All the other assets I have already used them. I have downloaded them. That's why the list of my assets are also shown here. Now, this is the new asset that I have added to my assets. Now, if you want to use, you need to download this one first. So, observe here, we have a button called download. Click that one. So, once I click that one, as per your internet speed, it will take time in downloading this asset. Depending upon your internet speed, it will download that. Now that it has been downloaded, I just want you people to have a glance on the lower left corner here. Did you see here? These are all the packages that are already available in my Unity. Now the old tables and chair is downloaded, but I have not imported that to my project, this project. Once import, then this old tables and chair will be added to my packages. I want you people to see now. As of now, nothing is there called old tables and chair. Now, once I start importing, all its related packages should be imported. So these are all the required files for that old table chairs 3D model. So click on import. Now then it will take some time. And did you see here where is that old table and chairs asset will be added? Did you see old table and chairs and its related packages will be added here? So an asset has been added, old table. So 3D from the asset store, we could able to successfully add the old table and chair. Now once it is added, you can see all these are materials. These are all the textures that are used in this. These are all the two models are there. One is chair and the other one is a table or a stool, you can say. So these two are available. So now once it is done, you can close your packet manager. You can go back to your scene. I hope you are understanding. So using hand tool, I'm little bit moving this like this. Okay, I hope you all clear now. Now what I'll do, I'll just delete this cube, or else what I'll do, I have deleted everything. I will be adding one 3D object cube. Okay, right? Mm, and then okay, let me call. This is the 3D object. Okay, now what I'll do, all these things, whatever I am doing, don't worry about that. In the next lecture itself, you are going to understand all these things. Just to make you understand clearly what I am doing, understand here what I have done. I have added a cube, okay? Now, let us consider this is your floor. Now, on this floor, I want to have a chair, okay? Now, on this chair, what I want to do, I want to place this chair on this floor. Now to add this chair on this floor, you can do that one in two ways. What are the two ways? First, you can select this chair and drag and you can drop here. Did you see how simple it is, how easy it is to add the 3D objects which are imported into your project to add onto your scene? Now this is facing to the other way. You need to use transformations for that one to look it the other way, like towards you, that you can learn in the next class. But understand here how to add these objects. The first way is directly dragging and dropping here. Once you have dropped here, did you see here? Chair object has been added. The other way of adding the object is, let me add this table. Now, instead of dragging and dropping into the scene, you can drag and drop into the hierarchy window also. If you add that one, did you see the tool, the stool has come here, and if you want to place wherever you want, you can place that one as per your requirement. Right. So this is how, very simple, very easy, how to add like how very easily you can add the 3D models that are available in the asset store into your project. So I request you all to just explore the different assets, 3D models in the asset store. Try to download them and import them and make use of adding those elements or objects into your scene. So with this, we come to an end of exporting the 3D models into the Unity. I hope you all are clear now how to add objects into the Unity, which can be done in two ways. You can use primitive objects or you can export 3D models into your Unity. If you still face any issues, you have any doubts to be clarified, let me know in the comment section below. I'm very happy to help you. So let us all meet in the next lecture. Until then, thank you.